Hello students, welcome to my video. I am here with an English class. I am going to discuss a lesson from your English book. The name of the chapter is Glimpses of India, chapter number 7. The lesson is Coorg, written by Locus Abroad. Now take out your pencils and underline the difficult words. I will give you the words with meanings at the end of the video. So let's start the lesson. Coorg. Coorg is coffee country famous for its rainforest and spices. Coorg is a coffee country, but it is not a country. It is a large area. It is a district. It is famous for coffee, famous for rainforest and spices. Rainforest means a thick forest that has a lot of rain. যিটো আমি অসমীয়াত বৰ্ষাৰণ্য বুলি কওঁ. And spices means some substances that we use in food like cumin, pepper, etc. যিটো আমি অসমীয়াত মছলা বুলি কওঁ. Midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore sits a piece of heaven that must have drifted from the kingdom of God. Midway means middle. In the middle of Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore, we find the place Coorg. So where is Coorg? Coorg is in the middle of Mysore and Mangalore. It is look like a piece of heaven because it is very beautiful, so it is called a piece of heaven. The writer compares the place with heaven, just like it comes from the kingdom of God. Drifted means given here, being carried along gently by air. Botahe Gohain. This land of rolling hills is inhabited by a proud race of martial men, beautiful women, and wild creatures. A proud race. A proud race. There we find martial men. Martial means having to do with war. And we find there beautiful women and many wild animals. It is a hilly area, so it is called rolling hills. Coorg or Kodagu, the smallest district of Karnataka, is home to evergreen rainforest, spices, and coffee plantations. Coorg is a smallest district of Karnataka. The another name of Coorg is Kodagu. It is the home of evergreen rainforest. Evergreen means green in all the seasons of the year. It is famous for evergreen rainforest, spices, and coffee plantations. Evergreen rainforest cover 30% of this district. So how much area does it cover by rainforest? Yes, it is 30% of the district. 30%. During the monsoons, it pours enough to keep many visitors away. Monsoon means rainy season. So in rainy season, the visitors stay away from the place due to too much raining. The season of joy commences from September and continues till March. Commences means start. Season of enjoying is started from September and it continued till March. The weather is perfect with some showers thrown in it for good measure. At that time, weather looks very good for visiting the place. A little raining makes the place very attractive. The air breathes of invigorating coffee. Invigorating means energetic. Invigorating, new word. It means the smell of coffee makes everyone energetic. Coffee estates and colonial bungalows stand tucked under tree canopies in prime corner. So here canopies means roof-like covering that form shelters. Tree make just like roof. It is called canopies. Coffee estates along with the many bungalows underneath the trees are also looked very pretty. Prime means here best. The fiercely independent people of Coorg are possibly of Greek or Arabic descent. Fiercely means violently. Though they are independent, they are very violent in nature. Actually, they are very brave. So says like that. It is said that they are possibly means maybe. They are maybe Greek or Arabic descent. Descent means বংশধৰ অসমীয়াত আমি বংশধৰ বুলি কওঁ. It means Greek or Arabics are their ancestors. As one story goes, a part of Alexander's army moved south along with the coast and settled here when return became impractical. So, here is a story that Alexander, a great king of Greek, তেওঁ যে ডাঙৰ বীৰ আছিল, গ্ৰীকৰ ৰজা আছিল, তেওঁৰ লগত অহা কিছু সংখ্যক আৰ্মি, a part of army could not return and they found Coorg as a safe place. These people married amongst the locals and their culture is apparent in the martial traditions, marriage and religious rites, which are distinct from the Hindu mainstream. These people married here and accepted the local culture, but they could not give away their own cultures, so they are mixed and is shown in traditional works like marriages, religious rites, etc. Their traditions are different from original Hindu culture. Mainstream means original. The theory of Arab origins draws support from the long black coat with an embroidered waist belt worn by the Kodavas. So the people of Coorg are called Kodavas. The Kodavas wear an embroidered waist belt with a long black coat. The embroidered waist belt that is called kupia. It is called kupia is same with the belt that is worn by the Arab and the Kurds. Here is known as kupia. It resembles the kupia worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. This embroidered waist belt is compared with the kufia that is worn by Arabs and Kurds. So it is also a supported story as Arab origin. So that's all for today. I will be back with the next part of the lesson. Do read this part of the lesson so that make you familiar with the new words as well as with the place of Coorg. So let's look the word meanings I have given here. So thank you for the video.